What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're actually going to be using my favorite no-code voice AI building platform right now, which is Vapi AI. And we're going to be trying to make a sales agent over the phone, right? So it's going to be a voice AI agent that you can use to auto dial your customers that is going to try and sell and close clients over the phone. So let's get right into it. So before we hop right into it, if you don't know me and you're new to the channel, my name's Daniel Hart and I am a co-founder of Black Cloud AI. On this channel, I like to make tutorial videos, I interview founders, or just give information about AI in the hopes to get as many people to learn AI as possible. That way they can possibly start selling it and making money online for themselves. So a big trend that we're actually noticing at Black Cloud AI is that everybody loves voice agents. So this can be literally anything. It could be a voice agent that takes orders over the phone. It can answer frequently asked questions, set appointments, or even sell, right? I haven't actually seen any good ones that can make sales over the phone, but that's what we're going to be trying to do today. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So the sales framework that we're going to be working with today is Alex Hormozi's closer method, right? And I'm not going to go through it right now, but basically closer is an acronym. And the acronym stands for clarify, label, overview, sell, explain, and reinforce, right? So these are all different steps that you want to hit throughout your sales call. That way you can not guarantee a close, but increase the likelihood that you will make the close on that call, right? So we're going to be using this closer method. And in order to do this, I'm basically just going to copy this link and then just get ChatGPT to create the prompt that we're going to feed into Vapi.ai. So here I am on ChatGPT. I'm just going to write a quick prompt to generate the prompt that we're going to be using for Vapi. All right, this is actually a pretty good prompt. So we can go through the prompt that I created really quickly. So I just said, you are an expert in AI prompting and high ticket sales. I'm trying to create a voice AI agent that can close sales over the phone. I need you to create a prompt for this voice agent that will enable it to have a high close rate. The AI agent should use Alex Hormozi's closer framework for selling. More info here. All I did was just pass in that link from the Medium article that I just showed you guys before. Here's an example of a sample prompt for the AI assistant. Modify it to ensure it uses the closer framework while being personable, witty, and slightly funny. And then I just copied in a prompt that I've used from my last video on voice AI. So if you are interested in seeing that, where I created a voice assistant for Tony's Pizza that basically just took orders over the phone, right? So that video will be linked up here, but you can see that it actually created a very, very good prompt. So you are a voice assistant for peak performance coaching, a high ticket coaching service based in San Diego. Business hours 9 to 6. Peak performance coaching offers elite business coaching for entrepreneurs. Your mission is to engage potential clients in a conversation, understand their needs, and close their sale by enrolling them in one of the coaching packages using Alex Hormozi's closer framework. And then it goes through what the closer framework is and closing steps. Ask for their full name and contact information, confirm the coaching package they're enrolling in, provide payment options and confirm payment details, reassure them about the next steps, like when they'll receive a welcome email or their first coaching session details. Tone, be friendly, slightly funny, and witty. Keep the conversation light but professional. Use casual languages with phrases like let's be real here, or honestly, who doesn't want that, right? Keep responses short and conversational as if you're chatting with a friend who needs a little nudge to make a smart decision. This is actually a very, very good prompt, but let's see if it will work with Vapi AI. I'll select appointment setter, and this will be, let's call it Alex, and create the assistant. This is Alex from Peak Performance Coaching. How can I assist you today? All right, and instead of 3.5, I like to use 4.0. It is a bit more expensive. You can see that Vapi, this is another thing that I love about Vapi. So I'll go back to the 3.5. You can see that it's about 9 cents per minute, and the latency is about 7/10 of a second. But if I switch it to 4.0, it goes up to about 9/10 of a second and 13 cents a minute. It is a bit more expensive, or not 13 cents a minute. It is a bit more expensive, but it is that much better. So I think it's very well worth the additional cost that you would be incurring by upgrading from 4.0 to 3.5. So next, so we've changed the first message. It shouldn't be, how can I assist you today? It should be, I'll say, how are you? And this would likely be, the way I'm envisioning this is probably in the middle of a sales funnel, right? So maybe you're running paid ads or something like that, and then they opt into a funnel, and then maybe there's an appointment setting call of some sort, and then after that you will follow it up with this voice AI agent that will try to close them, right? That's just how I'm mentally thinking about it at the moment. But this can kind of, maybe this could be the appointment setting call, not really. That doesn't make sense. But yeah, that's just how I'm thinking about it at the moment. So hello, this is Alex from Peak Performance Coaching. How are you today? And then we have our entire thing. We don't need a knowledge base. Actually, for this would be a good thing to have a knowledge base. So let me go ahead and, so yep, we just used ChatGPT to generate a very, very simple document that is going to be our knowledge base. I'm just gonna, none of this information is actually real, so it doesn't matter. I'm just going to download this as a PDF. And then I'm going to head over to Vapi and add a new file. Again, this is the one bug I have noticed with Vapi, is that it doesn't, you're supposed to just be able to click this and upload a file, but I haven't been able to get that to work. So I just have to drag and drop. Drag the file, drop it in here, and then upload it. And there we go, it's uploaded. I can go back to the assistant and select it. So now our knowledge base is created, it's attached. I'm gonna increase the max tokens to 500, and I'll switch on detect emotion, because why not? We also should switch the voice, because I think it defaults to a woman. So let's make it a Australian male. Let me just verify that everything is done. Everything should be good, and I think we're ready to test.
Hello, this is Alex from Peak Performance Coaching. How are you today?
Hey Alex, I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Just here, helping awesome entrepreneurs like you scale their businesses to new heights. Speaking of which, what challenges or goals are you currently facing in your business? What's the biggest hurdle you're dealing with right now?
Yeah, so I think the biggest hurdle that I'm having right now is honestly just hiring. We have a lot of leads that I can't really fulfill every single one of them by myself. So I think we really need to increase the size of the team and really start fulfilling more of these leads that we're bringing in.
Got it. Hiring can be a real challenge, especially when you have tons of leads and can't keep up by yourself. That sounds like a frustrating spot to be in, honestly. Building a strong team is crucial for scaling your business. What would it look like if you could solve this hiring issue and have a team that perfectly executes those leads?
Honestly, it'd be amazing. It would take time off of my plate, and it would allow me to focus on higher leverage activities that I can actually just scale the business.
Honestly, who doesn't want more time to focus on the big picture, right? Imagine this. Your hiring issue is resolved, you've built a solid team, and now you're focusing on those high leverage activities that truly scale your business. Our coaching could help make that a reality. In fact, we've got some tailored solutions just for situations like yours. Curious to hear more about how we can get you there?
Yeah, sure. I'm curious. What does that look like?
Great question. Let me break it down for you. We have a few coaching packages tailored to different needs, but it sounds like our could be a fantastic fit for you. Here's what it includes. 60 minutes each to address your specific challenges and goals for extra support and networking. Picture this, your team running smoothly, lead fulfillment in check, and you focusing on scaling the business. We've helped many entrepreneurs achieve those dreams, and you could be next. Want to dive in and make this happen?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. We have a few coaching packages that might be a great fit for you. 1. $5,000 for 3 months. Bi-weekly one-on-one coaching sessions, 60 minutes each. Business model assessment and optimization. Personalized growth strategy plan. Access to the peak performance online community. Shoot, $10,000 for 6 months. Weekly one-on-one coaching sessions, 60 minutes each. In-depth business analysis and strategy overhaul. Sales funnel creation and optimization. Leadership and team building coaching. VIP access to the peak performance online community. 3. Might be ideal for addressing your hiring challenges and scaling your business.do. Any of these packages stand out to you so far?
Probably the cheapest one.
Got it. The Startup Accelerator package would be the one for you. It's priced at $5,000 for 3 months. It includes bi-weekly one-on-one coaching sessions for 60 minutes, a business model assessment and optimization, a personalized growth strategy plan, and access to our peak performance online community. Ready to take the next step?
I'm a little apprehensive at the moment. I'm not sure if it's the right thing for me.
I hear you. Investing in yourself can feel like a big leap. But let's be real here. Staying stuck is way scarier, right? Plus, we've designed our program to be super actionable and supportive. What's got you feeling unsure? Maybe I can help address those concerns.
Yeah, I just don't know if this is actually going to solve my problem.
I get it. Deciding on the right move for your business can be tricky. Let's be real here. If your hiring challenges aren't addressed, it will be difficult to scale those new leads effectively. Our Startup Accelerator package is precisely designed to tackle pain points like yours. Plus, you get hands-on, personalized strategies, and you're not doing this alone. Now, how about this? Let's take it step by step. The first session could be a game changer. Ready to give it a go?
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Fantastic. You're making a great decision. Let's get you started. Could I get your full name and contact information? We'll then confirm the Startup Accelerator package and go over payment options. Lastly, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to expect.
All right, that's enough of that. So you can see in that call that it did go through the framework pretty well. There were a couple things that I didn't love. I don't love the fact that when it gets to explaining the packages, it kind of went through every single package and then said, does anything stand out to you? And then I said the cheapest one, and then it kind of just reiterated everything in the package. Well, reiterating what you're getting is a good thing, but I don't like that up front it listed out single thing in every single one of the packages. I think it should just create a recommendation based off of what was said previously. Okay, so I've added in that the mission is to engage potential clients in a conversation, understand their needs, and then recommend a package based on what they've said and close the sale by enrolling them in one of the coaching packages. I've added the recommendation part, and I think we should also change the voice. Didn't love it. Let's see if Sportsman's good. And let's run it again.
Hello, this is Alex from Peak Performance Coaching. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. So tell me, what's the biggest hurdle you're dealing with right now in your business? What's keeping you up at night?
Yeah, so the biggest thing that we're facing right now is we're having problems with getting leads. We don't have a lot of money right now to be running ads, and our cold emailing isn't working, cold calling isn't working. So we're kind of just at a loss and don't really know how to move forward.
Wow, that sounds really frustrating. I get it. Lack of leads can be a real headache. So let's flip the script a bit. If you could solve this problem, what would that look like for your business? Imagine the leads are flowing in consistently. What kind of impact would that have?
Well, that'd be amazing because we do really great work, and the customers that we do have really enjoy us and they stay with us for a long time. So having consistent leads coming in would do wonders for our top line revenue and our cash flow.
Absolutely, that sounds amazing. Imagine having those consistent leads pouring in, your top line revenue growing, and your cash flow becoming a breeze, Dad. That's where we're here to help. Picture this, your business running like a well-oiled machine, even while you're sipping a pina colada on a beach. That's where we come in. We've helped entrepreneurs just like you turn things around, and our coaching programs are designed to get you from being stuck to thriving. Let's be real here, who doesn't want that, right? Do you have any concerns or questions about how our coaching might fit into your business? I'd love to address them.
Yeah, so what would you guys actually do to help us get more leads?
Great question. We have several tailored strategies to help you get more leads. For instance, in our Growth Mastery package, we focus on sales funnel creation and optimization. We'll dive deep into your current processes, identify what's not working, and develop a custom plan to attract and convert leads without necessarily increasing your ad spend. Imagine having a finely tuned funnel that consistently brings in quality leads. That's what we aim to build. Would you like to hear more about how this could work specifically for your business?
Actually, yes, I would.
Fantastic. In our Growth Mastery package, we dive deep into creating and optimizing your sales funnel, which is crucial for generating consistent leads. You'll get weekly one-on-one coaching sessions for 6 months, where we'll perform an in-depth business analysis and strategy overhaul. We'll craft a personalized plan that aligns with your business goals and truly speaks to your target audience. Plus, you'll get leadership and team building coaching, along with VIP access to our online community. Sound like something that could benefit you?
Yeah, that actually all sounds great.
Awesome. I'm glad to hear that. Let's make this dream a reality. To get started, I'll need your full name and contact information. Then we can confirm which coaching package you'd like to enroll in. To sound good?
All right, so that one was actually much better. I like that it didn't just roll through every single one of the packages. It just recommended one of them because I mentioned sales, and then I mentioned incoming leads, and then it immediately registered the fact that a sales funnel would be something that would help my specific situation, and then recommended the package that had that, right? I like that a lot. That was pretty good. Didn't love the voice. It was a bit too much for my liking. But yeah, that's why you kind of just go ahead and you play around with the voices. But overall, I think this is at a pretty good place. I would definitely do some more tweaks. There's some things that I would add in here, right? So under functions, definitely would add a phone number and stuff. But adding custom functions so that I am apprehensive about giving my personal credit card information to anybody over the phone, and that would definitely extend to me giving it to an AI over the phone. So I know that other people would be just as apprehensive as I would, if not more so. So I would probably not try to get the bot to ask for the credit card information and stuff over the phone. I would get it so that it sends out an automatic Stripe payment link or an invoice or something like that to the number that they're calling from, because it's likely going to be their personal phone. So you can probably just get them to confirm that that's their personal cell phone, send them an invoice, and then after you send them the invoice, you can confirm once it's paid, and then move forward with the rest of the onboarding activities that you guys have, right? But that there's just a few things that I would tweak here and there. But overall, following this closers framework, I think it did pretty well. I'm also not a sales expert by any means. I do have some friends who are very good at sales, and I can run this by them as well. But from just a first take and something that we came up in what, 30-ish minutes, I think this is a great first take, and I'm very excited about the possibilities that this can have. So if you are in the market for something like this, try it out yourself. Try to build a voice agent for yourself, for whether it be sales, appointment setting, order taking, FAQs, whatever. I would say dive in, try to make it yourself. If you don't want to do that and you don't feel as though you even have the time or even want to, hit me up. My team and I, we can kind of create something for you and see exactly what your use case is, and then try to build you exactly something that you would need. And it would definitely be a much more robust solution, including the all the workflows that you would need, whether like sending the invoices, making sure payment was taken, validating information, stuff like that, right? So if that's something you're interested, click the link below and schedule a call on my calendar. My team and I can get that sorted for you. If you are just interested in learning more about AI and learning about how to build a lot of these voice agents for yourself, join my Skool community. It's completely free. I give all this stuff away for free, and we also have a weekly Q&A call where you can just come and ask me any questions that you want, right? It's completely free. I give everything away, so that's in the description. Leave a like on the video if you liked it. Comment down below on what other use cases you can see this helping, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. So without further ado, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.